Now that we've got the initial setup, basic layout structure of our table, let's now do a little bit of formatting. Let's get this to actually look like a table. So all I'm going to do here is highlight my column headers, that row 13 values, and the row directly below it. So I'll highlight B13 all the way down to F14. I got the headers and one empty row for the table selected. Now, once that's selected, I'm now going to go to my Home tab. And on the Home tab, we have a section of tools in here called Styles. And one of the options is Format as Table. So I'm going to go ahead and give that button a click. This is going to give me a flyout menu with several different options for me to pick from. This is all about formatting. So I've got color choices essentially to choose from. We've got categories for light, medium, and dark. So this is totally up to you. We're going to see how you can modify this later on and do some really neat things with your worksheets presentation. But for now, I'm going to grab the medium category and I'm going to grab this nice top blue one here. But whatever you want to get, your favorite color is green or pink or whatever you like, grab that color, apply it to your table. So I'll grab this first one here. This is dark teal table style medium 2. I'll give that a click. I'm going to get a create table window. And you'll notice that that range of cells that we selected earlier is currently highlighted. It's in there. But we do want to make sure that my table has headers option is checked. That just lets Excel know that these are our headers. They're not an actual record within the table. So we got our range, headers, check, and I'll hit OK. And now we've got our table. So it doesn't look like a whole lot just yet. I mean, it does look more than we had earlier, but there's not a whole lot going on here yet. This little icon, lower right-hand corner, you see that tiny little tick mark there? That's how you can expand the table or resize the table. So let's say I want to get some additional rows here because I'm going to be eventually filling out records inside this table. Well, I'm going to grab that little tick mark in the corner and I'm just going to drag down. Let's see, we started in 13. I'll go to 23, right? Got a handful of rows there. I'll drop it and now I've got a nice little table. Mine happens to be alternating row colors, makes it a little bit easier to read, but now it's starting to look like a table. We got some formatting there. Try this out. Highlight the headers plus the row down below it. Go to Home, Format as Table, pick your style, and you're good to go. Try it out.